Hi everyone, this video is just to show you all how to get or go on to another YouTube page that actually has some really good videos with the January 2020 paper, going through that. So you'll get your consumer arithmetic and number theory, your sets, your algebra, and all those things there. So in my videos I basically dealt with more of the questions come down to the end of the paper, the matrices, the vectors, or the trigonometry, the geometry, and so on, right? So just to show you the page, so you're going to type in what is already there, maths in minutes, right? So I actually had it here just to show you which one it is, because you're going to get a lot of it coming up, right? So it's actually this one here, right? And in the video, in the description box in below in my video here, I'll actually leave you links to this page so you have a better idea. So you can go on the videos and you would see all the different topics, the consumer arithmetic, the algebra, the sets, the number theory. Very useful, so take advantage of it. Exams are just now, so hope you really check out this video as well. Thanks.